To send an e-check to someone, you will need to have a checking account and the recipient's bank account information. First, gather the necessary information including the recipient's name, bank account number, and routing number. You can obtain this information by asking the recipient directly or by having them provide you with a voided check. Next, log into your online banking account or mobile banking app and navigate to the Bill Pay or Payment section. Select the option to send an e-check and enter the recipient's information, including their name, bank account number, and routing number. You will also need to enter the amount you want to send and the payment date. Be sure to verify the recipient's account information to ensure it is accurate and complete. You can do this by contacting the recipient or by using a verification service provided by your bank. Once you have verified the information, submit the e-check payment and confirm the details. It may take a few days for the e-check to clear and for the funds to be transferred to the recipient's account. You can track the status of the payment through your online banking account or mobile banking app. If there are any issues with the payment, you will be notified and can take steps to resolve the issue. It is essential to keep a record of the e-check payment, including the payment date, amount, and recipient's information. This will help you keep track of your transactions and ensure that the payment is processed correctly. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with sending an e-check, as these may vary depending on your bank and the recipient's bank. By following these steps and best practices, you can send an e-check to someone safely and efficiently. Remember to always verify the recipient's account information and keep a record of the payment to ensure a smooth transaction.